hộp súp. Súp, we're making soup.
Mau bagi ada.
ស៊ុបសម្លស្ងោរត្រីងៀត
Krim sama ikhlas isi krim sama ikhlas.
Good.
What else? Ingredient you need.
វាខគ្លូចា
In English, I have no idea. Like a cucumber, a bit like a cucumber,
Similar.
but I never see before, never used before.
It's all very yummy. Clove and this one trenir. You trenir.
Meat, oh, raw meat is, no,
Not robiet. Trenir.
dried fish,
Yeah, meat.
wild geese.
Meat is like it's flat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Flat dry fish. Like great.
But very dry. Lemongrass?
Yeah. We can also use
This one, Galanga.
kalanga, my favorite ingredient.
em thôi từ cây hang nha họ em
And you bash it.
yeah you can do this not to do it twice quay viên đầu nhưng sao cây viên
Very strong, easy. Don't know where I want to visit his house. Maybe
but as he was because he knew it to mom
His sister.
yeah his sister is a tailor yeah it can visit
Taylor.
yeah tailor I asked him how much for
Đom on day, rụng day.
Galanga.
Anh ấy khá hả?
Không đấy.
Ấy khá Tết,
Just garlic.
garlic, kalanga,
Black.
black currant.
Right.
So you use only,
Parsley.
yeah.
And also we use the hot that chicken broth.
Em không?
What kind of hot oil you can take it a little bit to make it yeah
You can separate.
yeah
I think I'm fine on
yeah yeah it's easy you know you don't have that
How big? Yeah. Put in. You wait. Okay, that's enough. So we close the cover again.
No, not only
Not close. Stop.
fish.
Vegetable. Clove. Yeah.
Not really much water.
Wait until the vegetable cook.
And then
Yeah. You will see water.
Then put pepper, say Thai.
Merit.
one spoon of bread.
MSG.
Put everything. Except
Let them wait.
wait until
Spring onion. Spring onion. Okay. close
until the reasonable point.
ណកូរមកបាច់ទៅដើម្បីឲ្យវាត្រឡប់ទៅឡែ we can stir like this to make sure that it well heat
เป็นรูมได้
yeah.
สลับ
នេះណូទៅចាំណា
ช่างนั้นเดี๋ยวจะ
ដាក់មកបន្តិចទៀត
If it's not good, what?
we can add too hot ចាំនៅមុខហ្នឹងណា salty or not salty enough
Sorry for hockey.
ដាក់នេះដាក់ខ្ទឹម
I think you can because maybe my hands are big now.
we want បារាំង to cook សម្ល from បារាំង
But you have to take out all the lemongrass and stuff.
yeah we'll take out